Hi guys, it's Brandy here, and I just recently purchased this wooden yarn holder. I just wanted to go ahead and show you how you're going to set it up and let you see how it works so you can decide if it's something that you might want as well. It comes with everything you need. The first thing you're going to do is decide which end of the screwdriver you need. For this one, it's Phillips, so we have Phillips screws, so you need Phillips screwdriver, and the other side is the flathead, I think. So you're just gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the little soft rubber feet on the bottom. That way it won't scratch anything or, you know, move too much when you're trying to use it and have it sitting on a table somewhere. Super simple. You're just going to put those in the four corners, and then you're going to be all done with that. And the next thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to attach this little holder. I think you can just put whatever you want in here. I would probably put my crochet hooks in there or whatever, but I'm going to go ahead and attach that. You just use one of the little screws and place the crochet hook holder on the top and then screw it in from the bottom. Super simple. And after you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and put the, I guess it would be the arm of the holder onto the stand and screw in from the bottom. And none of this is anything that you need power tools for or anything. You can just use the included screwdriver, totally fine. It's not going to take you more than 5 minutes to put this together, probably take you longer to get everything out of the package. But once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and just screw the yarn rest, I guess is what I would call it, onto the bottom of the yarn holder. And so you're just going to put a screw in the larger side of the hole. Like there's two holes, one's small and one's large. You're going to put it in the larger side and just screw it into the bottom. I actually found when I got to the end that it was easier just to twist it with my hands to make sure it was good and tight. And then it just magnets onto the arm and you're good to go. You're gonna, to use it, you're gonna want to put a skein of yarn on it, and then you can just start on whatever project you're working on. I just stuck the yarn holder stick up through the middle of the skein that I'm using. I guess you could probably just, if you wanted to make a ball, you could start making the ball with the yarn holder and wrap it all the way around there. So it's just whatever you're most comfortable with, but it does turn really smoothly, really nicely, and unwind the yarn, as you can see. And one of my favorite things is that it has this cool little phone holder right here. So if you have your patterns on there, or you're talking on the phone, or you're getting messages, you can see everything you need right there.